It's boiling hot outside today. It's boiling hot outside today. I think I have a fever. I think I have a fever. Can you change the channel? Can you change the channel? I'm soaking my feet in warm water. I'm soaking my feet in warm water. I'm eating a bento box for lunch. I'm eating a bento box for lunch. I need more time. I need more time. I'm picking red radishes from the garden. I'm picking red radishes from the garden. Let me check first. Let me check first. Load the groceries in the trunk. Load the groceries in the trunk. Fill up the tank for me, please. Fill up the tank for me, please. Let's toast to the new year. Let's toast to the new year. Can you help me? Can you help me? I really like this. I really like this. That's not a problem. That's not a problem. I've been waiting forever. I've been waiting forever. I'm on my way. I'm on my way. I'll be there soon. I'll be there soon. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. I totally understand. I totally understand. Did you hear me? Did you hear me? That sounds great. That sounds great. Let me think about it. Let me think about it. Let Daddy bandage your leg, okay? Let Daddy bandage your leg, okay? It's freezing. It's freezing. I'm watching a soccer game on TV. I'm watching a soccer game on TV. I need to wash my hair. I need to wash my hair. I need some rest. I need some rest. I got poked by a cactus. I got poked by a cactus. No thanks. I'm driving. No thanks. I'm driving. I'm slicing the bread for breakfast. I'm slicing the bread for breakfast. I slipped and almost fell into a manhole. I slipped and almost fell into a manhole. What? I didn't hear you. What? I didn't hear you. I'm giving my dog a bath. I'm giving my dog a bath. Look at you. You're covered in mud. Look at you. You're covered in mud. That was really funny. That was really funny. He popped a beer open with his teeth. He popped a beer open with his teeth. Can I join you? Can I join you? I got scared by a mouse. I got scared by a mouse. Ugh, these pants are way too tight. Ugh, these pants are way too tight. I dropped the vase and broke it. I dropped the vase and broke it. I'm scared the pot might boil over. I'm scared the pot might boil over. I'm brushing my hair. I'm brushing my hair. She got pregnant while she was still in school. She got pregnant while she was still in school. I'll fix it soon. I'll fix it soon. Please explain that again. Please explain that again. I'm a little busy. I'm a little busy. I agree with you. I agree with you. I'm trying my best. I'm trying my best. That looks amazing. That looks amazing. Please speak slowly. Please speak slowly. I always call my mom on Sundays. I always call my mom on Sundays. I'm stuck in traffic. I'm stuck in traffic. I'm kinda broke this week. I'm kinda broke this week. I need to charge my phone. I need to charge my phone. Please throw the trash bag away. Please throw the trash bag away. I tried to calm him down. I tried to calm him down. Please close the door. Please close the door. I'm leaving now. I'm leaving now. The diamond ring is so beautiful. The diamond ring is so beautiful. I dropped my phone on the ground. I dropped my phone on the ground. Please try this pair on. Please try this pair on. A beetle is crawling on my arm. A beetle is crawling on my arm. Here's your allowance for this week. Here's your allowance for this week. Take your cough syrup, honey. Take your cough syrup, honey. I like this version. I like this version. I'll message you later. I'll message you later. It's hard to decide. It's hard to decide. Please be on time. Please be on time. I'm waiting for the bus in the cold. I'm waiting for the bus in the cold. Where is my wallet? Where is my wallet? I'll send it right now. I'll send it right now. That's all for today. That's all for today. I need to think clearly. I need to think clearly. Let's go somewhere quiet. Let's go somewhere quiet. I don't know how to do this exercise. I don't know how to do this exercise.